everyone, I'm Lizanne and I'm thrilled to be here as Xiaomi's consultant and designer. Today we have a truly special story to share with you. Right here behind me is a home that's about to undergo an incredible transformation. We're about to meet the lucky winner of Xiaomi's Renovation contest. Come on, let's go meet them. Hi Encik Rafi, I'm Lizanne. My team and I from Xiaomi are here to renovate your house.
Okay, alright.
Tanya Encik Rafi and Umi for winning the Xiaomi Renovation contest. How are you both feeling about winning the contest?
Very excited, very excited.
Yes.
For renovation, wow, this is a good thing lah after we get lost. Previously, we have a float here. The float almost here inside house, and also my height outside. So that very bad lah, I think. This is our dream home lah, actually.
Dekat 7 tahun.
7 tahun sini.
Dan banyak sangat kenangan.
Kenangan di sini.
And apakah harapan untuk renovation ini?
A lot of fun we need lah, because we need to repair the car first. That pun a loss.
Apa yang kita tak repair sangat rumah, banyaklah benda yang kita beli sikit-sikit kan.
Actually, I'm a fan of Xiaomi. Use until now.
Dan banyak juga produk-produk untuk kita punya cats kan. Kita macam so excited lah.
Alright, and speaking of Xiaomi store,
Yeah.
are you ready to go?
Okay, let's go.
Encik Rafi and Umi are on the way home, and I can't wait to reveal their new home to them.
Welcome back to your new home, guys. Come on in.
Wow.
Cantik tak? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yay!
Okay, Google, please switch on fan.
Turning on tower fan.
Now looking to the future, masa depan, bagaimanakah produk-produk dari Xiaomi boleh memanfaatkan hidup anda?
Banyaklah. Banyak membantu memudahkan untuk kami keluar, macam ada cat feeder, water fountain, memudahkan kucing-kucing kita.
We have a big TV also, the water flyer, and also the baking robot.
And a lot of things.
A lot of things lah, Xiaomi bagi.
Okay, once again, congratulations you guys. Thank you for having us.
Terima kasih Xiaomi.